I think WPI exposes people to the way in which you're just looking to solve problems, and usually you yourself have that issue. And when you started exploring it and tinkering with it, you actually find out that a lot of other people have that very same problem. Dyn got its start when we realized that there were ways in which you could make computers talk to each other in a different way. And for us, the problem that we faced was working on lab paper, and we have to print it somewhere else. And so we built some technology that allowed us to take advantage of the fact that everything was on the same network, an Ethernet network. And this was the beginning of the cloud migration, and really the beginning where home broadband connections were starting to become more useful as high-speed broadband became more common.
Jeremy and I met in undergrad in WPI over a decade ago and formed a relationship that really has lasted over the last 10 years. We worked most closely together building Dyn, where he was CEO and I was CTO.
There were plenty of people at WPI that really wanted to help. They were intellectually curious about what we were looking at, what we were seeing, what problems we were solving. More and more it became no, this isn't just like some hobby, this is actually something real and material.
So the most important thing we learned at WPI was how to break big problems down into small problems and work collaboratively with teams to get those small problems solved every single day.
Project-based learning puts you in an environment where you both have to be a leader, follower, a teacher, and a student at the same time. I remember doing a project in Calc 1. Who would ever think that in this basic mathematics you can have a project? It's incredible. But that teaches you to work with others and really learn in a different setting, which is what you do for the rest of your life.
When we found out that Jeremy was going to be Innovator of the Year, we were so excited. We've been to, I think, almost every dinner that they've put on, and there's some incredible people that have been recognized.
Knowing how to drive change in a very successful way, in a way that makes people's lives better, what better cause for innovation than that? And that is exactly what Jeremy has done.
I think for me, when people say I'm an innovator, I'm a little surprised actually, because really I just think of doing what's natural. How do you make things a little bit faster? How do you make things more available? And try to make the technology easier for people to use. Because when technology is indiscernible from what we know, it's like magic.